Unwrapping the meaning of gift bag. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're going to unpack something special that you might encounter at parties, celebrations, or even corporate events. Yes, we're talking about the phrase, gift bag. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your English, understanding the different contexts in which gift bag is used will be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and explore what a gift bag really is. The term gift bag can be taken quite literally. It's a bag that contains a gift or gifts, usually given to guests at events like weddings, birthday parties, or product launches. These bags can range from simple paper bags to elaborate, decorative ones, and they often contain small tokens of appreciation or memorabilia relevant to the event. Typically, a gift bag includes items that are meant to be a keepsake or a thank you gesture. For instance, at a birthday party, you might find candy, small toys, or personalized items. At more formal events, like galas or charity functions, the gift bags might contain high-end products, vouchers, or branded merchandise. Sometimes, gift bag can be used figuratively in English. When someone says they received a gift bag of something, they might mean they received an assortment of items, not necessarily in a literal bag. For example, I got a gift bag of advice from my mentor. Here, the gift bag is metaphorical, representing a variety of advice rather than physical items. In many cultures, providing a gift bag is a sign of hospitality and gratitude. It's a way to thank guests for their presence and to give them something by which to remember the occasion. It's also common for businesses to give away gift bags as a marketing strategy, to introduce potential customers to their products. And that's a wrap on gift bag. Remember, a gift bag can be both a tangible token of appreciation or a figurative collection of goodies. We hope this video helps you understand the joy and meaning behind this common but delightful phrase. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll carry the knowledge from today's video into your daily conversations with ease.